Hello, I'm Yellow and welcome to my channel HelloYellow. People usually associate Goa with beach parties, late night raves, cruises, casinos and sundowner cocktails. But having grown up here, I know Goa more intimately. Goa is a land of acceptance. It's a land where freedom and culture blend seamlessly. It's a land where dreams and stories are in abundance. Goa is my home and I would like to share my stories with all of you. Watch HelloYellow for recipes, travel stories and sides of Goa you have never seen before. And speaking of recipes, today I will show you what all goes into making a fish carpaccio, which I'm sure you'll enjoy. So come along. So now let's see what fish I'll get for the fish carpaccio. Look at this amazing stingray. Okay, it looks like they are really fresh. The eyes are nice and also the gills are really nice and red. So I think we'll buy from here. ये कितना है? एक चाहिए? नहीं, मेरे को 3 चाहिए. 3 कितना है? नहीं तो आधा किलो कितना है? 200. Thank you.
This is our first outing since the lockdown. I've grown up in the state of gorgeous beaches, but today the sea, the sand and the sunshine feel brand new to me. We are choosing to celebrate the summer with a classic beach picnic.
So for fish carpaccio and ceviche, I love to use a white fish, which is either in Goa what you get is a pomfret or you get a kingfish or a snapper. I think those are really nice. Today we are using a pomfret because we just got them fresh in the market. We didn't get a fresh kingfish. I actually initially wanted to use a kingfish. What is important that the fish is really fresh because you're eating it raw. Okay, so now here's the pomfret that we bought today. And I'll just show you how to cut it. We need to make carpaccio pieces out of it. So just like this, so we fillet the fish. What is important is that you fillet your fish. Now you have that nice piece of fish over here. You use lemon and salt for curing the fish, and that is where it cooks in a way. That's the reason why it gets white also. So we are making today a pomfret carpaccio, which I need lemon for, garlic, and very important is fennel, and the salad, salt and olive oil. That's actually really all you need. First I'll take the garlic. So with the garlic, all I want to do is just lace my bowl where I am going to make the sauce in. So I just have the slight hint of garlic taste, but not too much of garlic. Then I'll put lemon. I think 1½ is enough for the amount of fish that we have. It's just a small snack. Kai, can you just grind me some salt?
Sure. This is just normal sea salt.
I'm just slicing the fennel. Especially these small, these young shoots of the fennel are really nice and they add a lot of taste to it.
Salt you want to get relatively small, not all that small, about this size.
I've got my lemon, my olive oil, salt as well. And the flavor actually really comes from the fennel. So I'm putting the fennel in here and then we can actually start decorating the plate. So this is my salad. I'll just use that as a bed. Then I'll use that fennel as well. Now we have the fish. So let me put all the fish fillet into the dressing. I'll just turn it so it it marinates a bit,
So what you would want to do is now leave it for about 5-10 minutes.
which we'll do. We'll just leave
Keep
this.
it here. And yeah. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and our fish is nicely marinated. You can see with the lemon, the fish is turned a bit white, so it's sort of cooking with the acid.
Maybe we should ask Zach to give us some coconuts, so we
yeah.
have something to drink as well. Ah, that's so lovely on the beach.
Yeah, you can have the bigger one.
Okay, thanks. Cheers. And let me decorate our fish carpaccio. I'm just mixing it. Our fish carpaccio is ready.
Now a lot of you are still in lockdown, and I hope you guys get a taste of sunshine and freedom very soon. But until then, remember that a picnic is a state of mind. Make this dish for yourself and have an indoor picnic with your loved ones.
Thank you for watching, and please give this video a like. I hope you enjoyed the little taste of Goa and the quick, easy and delicious recipe that you should definitely give a try. For more recipes, travel stories and Goa's best kept secret, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at HelloYellow Goa for early previews and behind the scenes. See you very soon on a brand new episode of HelloYellow.